so much.
Sorry.
You have any, can I ask you a question?
On my breast?
Oh, sorry. But why do people like to lie a lot?
No, but why are you asking me?
Is a quarter all you have in that bag of yours? Stupid. You're stupid because you're a damn liar.
Money back.
What? Motherfucker. Yeah, you keep walking.
I will.
Do you mind if I sit here? I think I'm going to need your help. My zipper, it's stuck.
I don't want to hurt you.
Don't be afraid.
I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Maybe I should just let you do this.
Don't give up so quickly.
My name's Frank.
Kara.
Will you and your wife be taking dinner here or in the dining car, sir?
Oh, pardon me. No, we're not actually.
The dining car would be lovely, thank you.
My name is Andrea Worth, and I'm the administrator for Harlem Casino and Rajam. We're located in Harlem on 116th Street. And I take care of the office. I do most of the office work and take care of people coming in for memberships and run the basic administration of the district.
My name is Joe Ramo, and I'm from New York. I'm an aspiring student here at Harlem Taekwondo. And I was lucky enough to find this school a few years ago, and I just love it. It's a tough school, but a good school.
Hi, my name is Kibone and I'm a fashion student at the Art Institute of New York City. My passion for fashion keeps growing, and 5 years ago, after figuring out how to make the traditional regalia of the people of my hometown more modern, the toga, I decided to get fully into fashion. I decided to go back to school and learn more about the business of fashion and how to better articulate my vision as a designer. Being a young designer, growing up, we got into so much trouble, we learned a lot. However, we decided to keep it going. Determination truly is the key.
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, yeah. Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider.
Black light.